भी सिटी से रिलेटेड डिटेल्स है वो डिटेल्स आपको फिल करने हैं, राइट? बट in today's context, let's talk about the landfill, right? Dump site remediation and landfills. So if you go to city profile में आप जाते हैं तो उसमें एक लिंक आएगा नीचे सिटी फैसिलिटीज में अगर आप जाएंगे तो यू विल फाइंड आउट कि डंप साइट्स का एक लिंक आता है लेफ्ट साइड में, मेन्यू आइटम। तो इस मेन्यू आइटम को आप जब सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो आपके शहर में, आपके यूएलबी में जितने भी डंप साइट्स हैं जो आपने रिपोर्ट किए हैं, सो मेक श्योर जो भी आपकी डंप साइट रेमेडिएशन एक्शन प्लान बन रहा है, तो एक्शन प्लान किसी डंप साइट के अगेंस्ट बन रहा है और वो डंप साइट का डिटेल आपको इस सेक्शन में फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फिल एंड प्रोवाइड द डिटेल्स। जैसे आपको भी सामने दिख रहा है कि 3 डंप साइट्स दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे इन आई एम शोइंग इन राजकोट इन ए अदर एनवायरमेंट जो भी डिफरेंट है। तो यहाँ पे अब अगर आपने वो डंप साइट डिक्लेयर नहीं की है तो पहला काम आपको करना है कि वो डंप साइट की डिटेल्स आपको पहले भरनी है। तो दैट डिटेल्स यू हैव टू फिल फर्स्ट। इफ यू क्लिक ऑन ऐड न्यू, जब आप ऐड न्यू करेंगे सो ऐड न्यू के बाद में यू विल फाइंड ए कंप्लीट फॉर्म। दैट फॉर्म विल प्रोवाइड यू डिटेल्स कि आपको क्या क्या डिटेल्स आपको भरना है इसमें डंप साइट रिलेटेड के, जैसे अभी किस वार्ड में वो डंप साइट है, राइट? कि वो वार्ड का डिटेल आ जाएगा। अगर आपकी डंप साइट सिटी बाउंड्री से बाहर है देन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट आउटसाइड सिटी बाउंड्री, राइट? अदरवाइज यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द वार्ड वेयर द डंप साइट इज। एंड देन अगर कोई आपने हिस्टोरिकली कोई डंप साइट आईडी आपने सेलेक्ट किया है या सजेस्ट किया हुआ है देन फिल, अदरवाइज लीव दिस फील्ड it's as it is. Then you have to provide name of the dump site. Then you have to fill in which year this dump site was started. For example, this dump site was started in 2016. And area of the dump site. One important
Arvind बीच में जरा पूछते रहो about their understanding whether they are aware of जो relevant आदमी है ना जो ये डील करते हैं।
जी सर। Right.
Just get the feedback as well.
Okay, ठीक है।
एक मिनट आप मैं सर को 1 मिनट सारा डिटेल बता दूं तो विल स्टार्ट सर।
ठीक है। Let me take a pause and then maybe.
Welcome sir. Actually we have 5 states today sir. Mainly Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, Manipur and Tamil Nadu sir. So Andhra have submitted 32 proposals with us. Karnataka has 26 proposals, Kerala 8, Manipur 1, and Tamil Nadu 2 proposals, sir.
Okay, already they have submitted the proposal.
Sir, they have in hard format they have submitted, sir, SHPC approved proposals to us.
Okay.
We are doing this exercise for quite some time now. So we have received these many proposals with HSPC approval, sir.
Okay.
So now this training is scheduled to give them hand holding for filling this online at Swachhtam portal, sir. Because everything we are receiving now, we are requesting now on the online thing, sir. Request few words from you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Himanshu. सबसे पहले मैं I welcome all the participants from Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Manipur, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Actually, as you must be knowing, we have written to you as well that now we are only dependent upon the Swachhtam portal. So all your proposal, everything has to be uploaded on the Swachhtam portal. Of course, you have taken the approval from SHPC. So please update these data on the Swachhtam portal because all our processes, future processes, fund release, everything will be online. So this is the genesis of the processes in the Swachh Bharat Mission 2. And we have activated this landfill dump site module as a first module as we received so many proposals. So this time you take, I request all the participants whether these training sessions are useful for them, Whether they are used to operating on Swachhatam portal, so that if you have any queries, please feel free to ask our officers who are explaining these things to you. Please get benefited of how you have to work in future. So I wish all the success to this seminar. Himanshu, you can carry on. Arvind, you can carry on. If you have any question, I'm here for some time.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm sharing my.
अरविंद, तुम्हारी आवाज कम आ रही है, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, माइक के पास आके बोलो.
Sir, is it better now?
It is better. And
Yeah.
some of the mics, it seems that someone's mics is open, so please mute your mic so that the training session is without any issue. Chalo start करो.
Sure. So as sir was talking about कि एक पहला क्वेश्चन सभी यूएलबी से है कि आई होप सबने डंप साइट की डिटेल्स फिल कर दी होंगी. So they have all dump site declared. If not, then I am showing the screen just to do that first. तो ये वाला जो फॉर्म है, so there you have to fill all the details कि कितना एरिया है उस डंप साइट का, उसका हाइट कितना है. So one thing which you have to cognizance, आपको बहुत ध्यान से भरना है कि इसके जो यूनिट्स हैं, लाइक एरिया एकर्स में है, हाइट मीटर्स में है, दैट यू हैव टू एंश्योर कि ये आप टेक केयर करें जब फिल करें. द सेम वे कि लेगेसी वेस्ट क्वांटिटी कितना टन है. सो आई एम जस्ट फिलिंग दैट एज ए डेमो पार्ट फॉर यू. तो जब आप भरेंगे तो एक आप उसको एड्रेस डालेंगे. एड्रेस डालने के बाद उसका रेमेडिएशन स्टेटस क्या है. स्टेटस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर कि अगर आपने वो कंप्लीटेड डाला तो दैट विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज ए कंप्लीटेड. सो अगेंस्ट दैट यू कैन नॉट बी एबल टू क्रिएट ए डंप साइट. आपको ऑनगोइंग या प्रपोज या जो भी सिचुएशन है, अगर कंप्लीट है तो कंप्लीट डालिए. मेक श्योर कि स्टेटस आपका करेक्ट होना चाहिए. देन यू हैव टू चूज द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस डंप साइट. सो वन थिंग विच वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू यूज एंड डू इज कि GIS में हम आपको कोऑर्डिनेट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे जो अब इसको कनेक्ट करेंगे GIS के साथ. देन यू हैव टू क्रिएट ए पिक्चर विद द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दैट डंप साइट्स. जब आप फॉर्म फिल करेंगे तो other details which you have to fill is कि legacy waste कितना है, extent of lead to be received, right? Timelines to complete remediation, output of remediation project क्या होगा. So those details you have to fill. Once that part is done, you have to save and save this part. जब ये save हो जाएगा, save होने के बाद में ये dump site आपको reflect होगी when you are creating the action plan. Now I'm taking a pause. अगर किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लीजिए before we go and jump to the action plan, because this is the basic details which you need to keep ready before creating the action plan.
Sir, Manipur.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Manipur, sir.
Sir.
Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sir, Arvind, sir. I'm Manipur here, sir. I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, I have discussed with Himanshu, sir, before also. We have a small confusion here. Sir, in the original DO letter that we received from the ministry, the original DO letter that we received from the ministry,
Yes.
in that DO letter, only the legacy waste, I mean, the only Imphal Municipal Corporation was allowed, because Imphal Municipal Corporation, the population is more than 1 lakh. So we submit. Sir, so we
Request others to please mute themselves. Request others to please mute themselves. And Taranjit, I know your issue. I have already discussed this. You can send other proposals where the population is less than 1 lakh. There is no issue on
Yes.
that. You
Sir,
start filling those proposals on online. And the other issue you discussed, just let Arvind finish this part. Then the GIS mapping part will
Sir,
discuss
my
later on.
question, sir, actually, sir, my question is related with this adding the new dump site, because the area that we have added, that we included in the proposal, is not for Imphal Municipal Corporation. That is for Lamsang Nagar Panchayat, which is a different municipality. So how do we include here? I mean, can we include as, because there's an option that says outside the city boundary. So can we select that option, or shall we proposal separately from Lamsang Nagar Panchayat? That is the confusion, sir. Or shall we discuss separately afterwards, sir? If that
No,
would
no,
be.
this Oro has already showed this on that if your dump site is within the city boundary, then you select that from the drop down. Otherwise, there is an option in the drop down that what you have to select. Oro, can you please show him again that what you have already briefed?
I think, sir, he's short about that last option that is outside the city boundaries, and probably we have to select that option.
Right. So you can choose that as well.
Okay. Take it, sir. Thank you, sir. That
And
answers my
for
question.
1 lakh, actually earlier it was a plan that only 1 lakh plus cities we have requested for the proposal. Now it's open for each and every population category to send their proposals, right?
Yes, sir.
And earlier proposal there was SHPC approvals requirement. Now it is the approval is required from the SLTC only, which will be headed by your principal secretary, urban department.
Yes, sir. So, sir, do we have to take the approval once again? Because the earlier proposal we have
No,
already
for
taken
this
up.
proposal you need not to take the
Okay,
approval
sir.
once again.
Okay, sir.
The
Thank
letter
you.
will work from your principal secretary that this proposal has been approved from SHPC, right? But
Okay,
for
yes,
any
sir.
new proposals, you have to take the approval from SLTC only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Oro, please.
Hi, sir. This is Imran. Can we proceed for suction portal now?
You can.
Okay.
That Oro has dropped somehow, so you can.
Okay.
So Imran, my request is to take from the step 1. Okay.
Yeah, I'll go through one by one.
Step by step. I want to brief everything to all our participants from different ULBs, right?
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Imran Khan. Just I'm going to show how we can, fill the details of dump site. So we will log in first with our portal, Swachhtam portal.
Imran, you need to share your screen first.
Just a second. It's visible, everyone?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. So all the participant, I think you have to fill first your on Swachhtam portal. You have to fill your ULB ID and your password, and you have to choose option on this menu. There is an option city action plan. Okay, we are just going through dummy account. So you have to you all have your own data here on dashboard and all. So you have to opt this option city action plan, and you have to click action plan list. Okay, so whatever you filled earlier, or like you are going to fill the details, the submitted application will show as a list here. Okay, there is a noise. Can you please mute? So we have to start here, add new, on action plan list, and there will be option dump site remediation. Okay, so you have to choose that dump site remediation. The details of your ULB will come, means like there is a Imphal, as he said, there will be in which state it comes, ULB name will come, how many municipal zone is there, how many wards is there, it will come. And the population will also come. The population, what was the population of census 2011, and what is the current that is filled by ULB. And we are expecting till projected 2026, but we will remove it up to 2025. So we will take a projected population up to 2025, and all the charges will come as per your ULB. Like, see, we have a dummy account. So as of now, we have 3 dump sites in our area. Okay, So we have to submit, we agree this data is correct. Okay, you have to fill your city profile first. If there is a data, you have to correct your city profile and you have to choose the option and you acknowledge this information is correct from your end. Then we have to proceed for the next level. Now you can fill the details here. Okay, like we are going through another dummy account. So you have to opt, let's see, we have demo. Okay, we have demo, it's a dump site name. When it is started to fill, what is the area? It will be in acres. What is the dump site heights? What is the quantity? It's like as of now I have 19,000 ton legacy waste. What is the latitude, longitude? That will be come later on, and address and where is the landmark of that dump site. You have to fill whatever you have filled into city profile. There is a city facility dump site that will come here from the system. Now there is a two option. What the methodologies you are using for this dump site remediation. There will be two options, either biomining or partial biomining. So there is a two. If you are opting biomining, the indicator will be different. Scope of disposal, and you have to fill all the details like what is the how many inert waste is there, what is the cost of that, how many kilometers it is transported. So everything is there, everything whatever you are using, like if you are using inert waste, RDF, so you have to fill all the details. Like I'm filling the details as of now in biomining. Let's see, disposable site is SLF we are using as a parameter. There is a 10-kilometer site, and for this we are there is a charge, there is a transportation cost come 1,000. For there is another parameter, let's see, it's a road filling. Let's see, it's a 20 kilometers from here. So there is a transportation cost 2,000. So whatever there is a data for RDF, for biosoil. So you have to fill the details first, and then you have to fill also what is the benefits from that remediation. Like you remediated 5-acre land, and we are just asking how many what is the cost of that for benefit of ULB only. There is no such kind of data. We are just asking ULB what is the land cost. If this is just for this is just for might be if budget is more than land cost, so we are just asking. Okay, so let's see, for 5-acre there is a cost of 10 lakh. Okay, so we are asking for benefit parameter, and it's a remediation plan, it's a full. So you have to enter what is the project cost. So let's see, I'm putting 15 lakh. Okay, or something 10 lakh, whatever. So you have to put the data, in terms of total cost. What cost will come for this remediation plan. So you have to fill the details, okay? And what is the start date of remediation? Let's see, I am adding. So there is the end date. So you have to add start date and end date as well. As per population more than 20,000, more than 10 lakh population, there is a guidelines. You have to fill that data, the date up to 31st March 2024. But it's a flexible. Whatever validation come, you have to take the minimum, minimum value. So as Himanshu sir told earlier, that is a flexible. They will consider these things. The breakup will come as per the city. If there is a population of 10 lakh city, the central percentage will come 25%. For less than 10 lakh ULB population, central share is 33%. For less than 1 lakh or 1 lakh, it's 50%. So the system will generate all the share, and you have to add these details. Now it's ready. You can, if you want to edit, you can edit. Whatever data you filled, you can edit. Okay. You have to check all the data. That should be in a correct manner.
Imran,
And
I
it's
would like to interfere here once. Just
Okay.
please let our friends know that how many these entries are mandatory and which are non-assigned, means non-mandatory.
Just I'm telling you, as of now, we are, as far as biomining methodology, this is optional. But this is mandatory. If there is a legacy waste of 19,000, this is mandatory. You have to fill. Where you are doing in partial, if you are doing partial, you have to fill all the details. If you are doing, partial capping and all. So I'm just giving you, there is a dump site of 17-acre land. So we have to complete this validation here. Let's see, we have to, first area is of 8 acres, another one is of area 9 acres. That should be, A plus B should be of, this equivalent. This should be equal to A plus B. 17 is now. 8 plus 9 would be 17. And like there is a legacy waste, as of now, it's mentioned 19,000. So you have to be there. Okay, 19,000, A plus B should be there. Like I am putting in one waste ton here, I am putting 18,000, here 1,000 I am distributing. Now there will be no validation comes. Okay, so you have to complete A plus B, means whatever dump site value will be there in terms of area and in terms of legacy dump site quantity. There is a validation. The rest is not valid here. Rest is not, there is no validation, there is an optional. So now we have to put 19,000 complete. There will be, it will work. If there is a 17-acre area, so you have to be added it might be, this is 1 acre, it might be 16 acre, but total should be 17. So this is not applicable. This is optional. They can add. So there is no validation. And rest, what is the benefited area? You have to add. And what cost is that? This is also, you have to mention. The rest, we have to mention start date and end date. So the rest are optional. And project cost is also important, because the overall project cost they are putting here. Every ULB will have to fill these details here, so that we can calculate what is the per ton cost is coming to transport or for processing actually. So now the summary the financial breakup will come as per the population as told earlier, and they can add the details, they can update, and they can go ahead for further. Now project is added, or is there any any ULB have query from my side? I'm available to answer. Kindly raise your query.
Imran, before that question answer session, I would like to add one thing. Just go back, Imran. Just go back to this biomining and partial biomining wala point.
Okay, just a minute. Okay. I'm coming to this. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I would like to add something here. Actually, we have given you two options.
Yeah.
One is biomining and one is partial capping and partial remediation or
Yes.
biomining, whatever it is.
Yes.
So this is the reason actually. In solid waste management tool, both are things are approved. But in last some years, actually, NGT is going for this biomining, bioremediation only for remediation. But
Okay.
both these points are valid. If there are some issues in, suppose you have a land of 15 acres and entire land is filled with the waste, and you are able to, if you are unable to, because you need some land to dispose inert and processing rejects, and if in the vicinity you don't have that thing, then you can opt partial biomining and capping. So whatever inert you will generate from the remediation, in certain, you can say 20, 15, 20% of the land, you can fill those inerts and cap it scientifically.
Yes.
But while opting this partial biomining and biocapping, you must have some foolproof, you can say, point to validate that you have issues with disposal of these inerts. That is why you are opting for this partial capping and partial biomining. Otherwise, I request all of you to please go for complete remediation and remediate the entire land. But there might be some local issues, some local disposal issues, some cost, transportation cost issues may come. So going by that, your state should validate that there are valid reasons to going for this partial capping. And this partial capping is again should not be more than 25 or 30% of the land. So now if anyone has any query, you are welcome to ask questions. And if you have any point you want to reiterate, then we are happy to do that. And we request all the ULB officials and officials from the mission directorate that please send these things in next 3 days to us. Please fill all these details on the portal in next 3 days. It's a mandatory training. This is the third round of training we are conducting here. So this will enable us to release the fund for legacy waste management. Any question?
Sir, is there any percentage for the state share, the central share, and the ULB share?
It is actually. It is. There are two kind of categorization in that. One on the regional basis, that this northeastern state, because whatever cost you have, the mission will provide you funding on the basis of 550 rupees per ton of processing cost. So you can say this is the entire processing cost. We have not considered transportation cost in this, as the transportation cost is variable from ULB to ULB and the distance of disposal from the remediated site. So for northeastern states, 90% of the 550 rupees. For Himalayan state, it's 100%. For UTs without legislation, it's 100%. UTs with legislation, 80%. And ULB is having population more than 10 lakh is 25%. ULB is having population within 1 to 10 lakh, 33%. And population having population less than 1 lakh will get 50% of 550 rupees per ton cost.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So can we have any guidance documents of filling this data, if it's possible?
This is self-explanatory actually, what Imran has showed you. If you go step by step on the Swachhtam portal, there will not be any issue, because that is why we can share you some, because this is present in operational guideline as well. But the purpose of providing you live online training is to give you a hand holding and making all the things clear to you for this online submission. If you have any query within this portal, you can straightway ask us.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
हेलो सर, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
यस यस प्लीज।
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है आपकी, बताइए।
सर, मैं अजय सिंह म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन अम्बाला से बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ अजय जी बताइए। अम्बाला को तो हम ट्रेनिंग कर चुके हैं, मत बताइए, आप बताइए, थोड़ा सा पास आके बोलिए, आवाज बहुत धीमे आ रही है आपकी।
वो सर सिस्टम का थोड़ा दिक्कत है। सर अभी आवाज ठीक आ रही है?
आवाज काफी कम है आपकी, हम सुन पा रहे हैं बट समझने में थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रही है।
सर हमारे यहाँ जो रेमेडिएशन स्टेटस है ना सर,
हाँ जी,
वो ऑलमोस्ट 90+% पूरा हो चुका है और विद इन 2 मंथ रेमेडिएशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा।
हाँ हाँ।
तो अभी जब हम इस पे जो डाटा फिलअप करेंगे वो एग्जिस्टिंग स्टेटस ही का करेंगे ना, या कैसे करेंगे?
नहीं, बिल्कुल आप एग्जिस्टिंग का ही करेंगे। और अम्बाला के साथ एक और भी दिक्कत है कि आपने MIS में अपना स्टेटस कंप्लीटेड डाल रखा था। तो कल भी मेरी मनदीप सिंह जी से बात हुई थी, तो जब आप MIS में कंप्लीटेड डालेंगे तो यहाँ आपको फिल करने में दिक्कत होगी।
आएगा नहीं सर, वो चीज आएगी ही नहीं, वो
हाँ।
स्टेटस जो है उसका क्लोज रहेगा।
तो आपको डेटा धीरे से देखना होगा कि MIS में आपने क्या डाला। अगर आप MIS में कंप्लीटेड डाल देंगे तो यहाँ वो रिफ्लेक्ट ही नहीं करेगा, आपका फॉर्म ओपन ही नहीं होगा।
नहीं सर, पहले ओपन हो रहा था, हमने ऑनगोइंग स्टेटस किया था।
हाँ,
और जैसे कि हमारी टोटल जो क्वांटिटी थी 5,27,000 मेट्रिक टन की, और 5,10,000 मेट्रिक टन अब तक रेमेडिएट हो चुका है।
तो आप जितना बचा है उसका फिल कर दीजिए। आपके यहाँ से अप्रूवल होके हमारे पास आने दीजिए, हम उसे करते हैं जितना कर सकेंगे।
ओके सर, ठीक।
And this is actually this point is came right now, that if you have submitted something some different status in MIS, so please rectify the same.
ओके सर।
Right. Rectify means whatever the current status. If any ULB has already submitted that they have completed their remediation work, then this form they are not able to fill this form. So this is a submission for all the ULBs, that please submit the correct status in your monthly report MIS on portal.
जी सर।
So
हेलो
yeah.
सर, हरियाणा से बोल रहे हैं। सर हरियाणा में कुछ यूएलबी में जब हम फिलअप कर रहे हैं तो ये मैक्सिमम एरर आ रही है, डंप साइट आर प्रेजेंट इन द यूएलबी बट नॉट रिक्वायर्ड स्टेटस। जबकि डंप साइट में भी सर रिक्वायर्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन फिलअप करिए, एक्शन प्लान का पेज ओपन नहीं हो रहा है सर।
इमरान बताइए क्या इशू है?
किस यूएलबी में इशू आ रहा है
सर? ये मेहम करके यूएलबी है।
मैं चेक करा लेता हूँ कि आपकी एंट्री आ रही है या नहीं आ रही।
इमरान एक बार आप नंबर चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए।
हाँ मैं डाल देता।
आप ये नंबर ले लीजिए और मेरा नंबर भी मैं डाल देता हूँ अपना नंबर चैट बॉक्स में।
जी जी।
तो जिसको जो भी इशू आ रहा है, इमरान इज फर्स्ट हैंड टू रिजॉल्व इट, एंड देन यू कैन डिस्कस इज द सेम विद मी एज वेल, राइट?
सर सेम इशू अम्बाला के केस में भी है।
हाँ, तो हम करते हैं उसको, फिर सही करते हैं अभी।
स्टेटस नहीं होगा, वो फिल करना, ये जो है हमें फिल कराना पड़ेगा। रेमेडिएशन होता है ना, टू कंप्लीट आवर रेमेडिएशन। 4 स्टेटस है हमारे पास, ये टू प्रोसेस, ये टू कंप्लीट, ऑनगोइंग एंड कंप्लीटेड। 4 स्टेटस अभी है हमारे पास। तो जो स्टेटस अगर कंप्लीटेड है या ऑनगोइंग है उसको हम नहीं लेंगे। बाकी अगर नया कुछ कर सकते हैं तो नया वो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं।
नहीं तो अभी इमरान ऑनगोइंग का भी हो रहा था कि ऑनगोइंग का भी आप ओके कर दीजिए उसको।
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं इसको
क्योंकि इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस ऑनगोइंग चल रहे हैं हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स.
जी
Let the competent authority decide whether we will go with the online things on ongoing proposals or not, right?
ओके सर.
So till then you allow all ongoing projects as well.
Noted down.
So any doubt, any questions?
सर वन मोर थिंग प्लीज.
हाँ बताइए बताइए.
सर जैसे कि रेमेडिएशन स्टेटस में जब हम चूज करते हैं ना कि ऑनगोइंग है या रेमेडिएशन नॉट प्रोपोज्ड है या कंप्लीटेड है, अब प्रपोजल एंड येट टू स्टार्ट वाला ऑप्शन आता है. अब जैसे सर हमारे यहाँ ऑनगोइंग है, तो ऑनगोइंग जब हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं तो आगे वो प्रोजेक्ट डीपीआर अपलोड करने को नहीं बोलता, नोटिफिकेशन डेट भी नहीं पूछता है वो.
हाँ तो अभी अजय जी अभी ऑनगोइंग में शायद कुछ इशू था. मैंने अभी आपके सामने ही बोला है कि दे विल अलाउ ऑनगोइंग प्रोजेक्ट्स एज वेल.
ओके.
ये इमरान जी का नंबर है, मैंने भी अपना नंबर डाल दिया है इस पे. तो जिसको भी जरूरत हो वो ये इस नंबर पे कॉल कर सकता है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट विल बी इमरान खान. तो ये आपको जो भी आईटी रिलेटेड टेक्निकल इशू आपको आ रहा है, यू कैन कॉल हिम फॉर गेटिंग दोज इश्यूज रेक्टिफाइड. So any other question, any other clarity anyone wants? Otherwise, we will close this meeting. And I request all the ULB officials and officials from the state directorates that we need these action plans to be filled by next 3 days. So please consider this as urgent and fill those forms, action plans on Sukstam portal at earliest. Okay, then we are closing this meeting. Thank you for your participation. Thank you so much.